In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Nissan Quest key fob. You can see here I have the 6-button version of this device. If you have the 5-button version, don't worry, you can follow along with this video. The process is going to be the same for both of them. All you'll need is one CR2025 battery and a regular flathead screwdriver. If you don't have one of these batteries, you can go check out that first link in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these particular batteries for just a few bucks. First step is just to look down here where the key ring attaches. You can see that opening. Put your flathead screwdriver or a coin or something like that in and twist until the device cracks open. From here, you can just use the same flathead to come in on the side of the battery and just get under it and gently pry it up and out. When you're putting in your new CR2025 battery, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down, and you will just snap that into place. Just get it positioned and push it down. We'll snap right in there. And then we can just put this thing back together. There we go. That's all it takes. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to drop us a like or tell me about it down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come check us out here on YouTube or at our website, FobBattery.com.